Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to block and hide offensive message requests and comments inside of the latest Instagram update. Instagram just released an update allowing you to set new filters preventing you and your followers from seeing inappropriate and offensive comments, as well as blocking and hiding message requests that you don't want to receive. On top of the automatic settings, they also allow you to set custom words that you can block as well. To do this, make sure that you have the latest version installed, open Instagram, and head to your profile page by tapping the profile icon on the bottom right. Inside of here, tap the menu button on the top right and then choose Settings. Inside of Settings, select Privacy. In here is where they've added the new filtering options. At the top of the interaction section, choose Hidden Words. By default, hide comments will be turned on. This will automatically block comments that may be deemed offensive by Instagram. Under that, you can turn on hide more comments, which is a stronger content filter. Next, you can turn on hide message requests, which will move possible offensive messages directly to your hidden message folder and will not alert you when you receive them. We'll take a look at where these are located in just a minute. Finally, down at the bottom, you can add custom words to your filter list by selecting Add to List, entering the words that you want to filter out, and then heading back and turning on hide comments or hide message requests to enable either one or both. Instagram has also included a limit option, which can be found back at the privacy page. By enabling this, you can set limits of unwanted interactions from groups of people when you feel you're being harassed. This is like the hide or restricting option, but allows Instagram to hide a wider scope of accounts or groups of accounts that it finds could be harassing or offensive. And finally, if you are turning on the option to hide message requests, you can find and look through them pretty easily. Head into your messages page and then tap Request at the top right. Inside of here, you'll find all of the message requests that you've received, but the ones that Instagram has filtered as inappropriate are found at the bottom inside of Hidden Requests. If you have any, they can be found inside of here. And that's how you hide message requests and offensive comments inside of Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.